Assalamu everyone, my name is Mukaddas Education Wali and I'm a student in Rehan School Foundation course batch 2. Today I want to talk about a powerful and deeply thought-provoking TEDx talk titled Inside a School for Suicide Bombers by filmmaker and journalist Sharmeen Obaid-Chinoy. This talk does not simply tell a story, it opens a window into a reality many of us struggle to understand. It challenges our assumptions and extremism, education, and the vulnerability of young minds. In her work, Sharmeen Obaid-Chinoy takes us inside places rarely seen by the outside world. Schools where children are trained not for careers, creativity, or discovery, but for violence. What makes this especially heartbreaking is that many of these children are not born with hatred. They are ordinary boys, often coming from poverty, conflict, or emotional isolation. They are searching for belonging, purpose, and identity, the same things every young person seeks. The talks reminded that extremism does not appear suddenly. It grows slowly through influence, manipulation, and misinformation. When education is replaced by indoctrination, curiosity is replaced by fear, and hope is replaced by rigid ideology, these children are taught narratives that reshape their understanding of right and wrong, convincing them that destruction is meaningful sacrifice. This forces us this forces us to ask an important question: what happens when education loses its humanity? One of the strongest messages in the talk is the power of storytelling and journalism. By listening to these children instead of simply judging them, the speaker helps us to see the human side of a complex issue. Understanding does not mean agreeing, it means recognizing the social, political, political and emotional conditions that allow such system to exist. Only through understanding can real solutions begin. This talk also highlights the responsibility of society, families, educators, governments, and communities all play a role in shaping young minds. When children lack access to quality education, emotional support, and safe environment, they become more vulnerable to manipulation. True education should teach critical thinking, empathy, and respect for life, values that build peace rather than conflict. Another important lesson it is courage. It takes immense bravery to document sensitive realities and bring hidden truth to the world. Journalism like this sparks conversation that many people avoid but desperately need. Silence allows problem to grow, while awareness creates the possibility for change. So, what can we learn from this talk? First, that education is powerful and therefore must be protected. Second, that empathy is stronger than ignorance. And third, that preventing extremism begins with not with fear but with opportunity, understanding, and compassion. In conclusion, Inside a School for Suicide Bombers is not just about conflict, it's about choices. The choices societies make about education, justice, and humanity. It reminds us that every child deserves guidance towards hope, not harm. If we invest in knowledge, dialogue, and empathy, we can build a future where young people are inspired to create life, not destroy it. Thank you.